In today's episode, Classic Caillou pulls the fire alarm and gets grounded. I am very tired today. I don't want to do that test in school today. Anyways, let's get ready for school. When Classic Caillou got ready for school. Dad, I am ready for school.
Good job, Classic Caillou. Let's go wait at the bus stop.
When Classic Caillou went to the bus stop.
Oh, look, your bus is here. Have a good day at school.
Thanks, Dad. When Classic Caillou got to school.
Okay, class. Today we will have a test. Before we start the test, we are going to do some math independently. The papers are on the shelf. Please pass them to the table behind you.
Man, I don't want to do this test. This is too hard. What should I do? I have an idea. I am going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Classic Caillou, that is a really bad idea. If you get caught on camera, you are going to be in so much trouble. Dude, don't worry. I won't get caught. Mr. Hernandez, can I use the bathroom real quick?
Okay, Classic Caillou, here is the bathroom pass. But please come back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
In the hallway.
Alright, I am here. I tricked Mr. Hernandez, now I can do it. Let's pull the fire alarm.
Kids, it is the fire drill. Everyone line up.
When everyone lined up outside.
Is everyone here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I've been looking for you, Classic Caillou. How long have you been outside?
We evacuated earlier, and we've stayed here the whole time.
Oh, okay. I will go and check with the teachers. 5 minutes later.
Mr. Hernandez, this is Officer Danny. Today, he'll be questioning everybody.
Hello. Hi, Mr. Hernandez. Seems like it was just a false alarm. What was going on in your class before the noise started?
Everyone was quietly working on their assignment when the alarm went off, so we evacuated. And that's everything that happened.
Okay, thanks for telling me, Mr. Hernandez.
Is there a way to see who pulled the alarm?
Maybe we should check the footage in the hallway to see who pulled the alarm.
When Miss Green, Mr. Hernandez, and Officer Danny went to the office.
Let me pull up the cameras.
Loading the camera footage. Alright, I am here. I tricked Mr. Hernandez, now I can do it. Let's pull the fire alarm.
No way, it was Classic Caillou who set off the alarm. I will call his dad to pick him up. Hello. Boris, this is your son's teacher speaking. Today he pulled the fire alarm at school. Oh my gosh, he is so grounded. Please pick him up immediately. Okay.
When Boris came.
Classic Caillou, come home right now. You are in big trouble. Classic Caillou, stop crying. Let's go home.
When Classic Caillou and Boris got home.
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. That's it, you are grounded for 2 months.
Wah!
Classic Caillou, go to your room right now.
When Classic Caillou went to his room, Wah!
Classic Caillou, stop crying and go to sleep right now.
Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on post notifications for new videos. This is Riaan Singh signing out. Goodbye.